Eaton specializes in line installation and protective equipment for electrical distribution systems. When it comes to large-scale fires and the damage they inflict, prevention is of the utmost importance. Distribution equipment can experience highly energetic end-of-life events when exposed to overvoltage conditions, such as lightning strikes, line-to-ground faults, and more. To combat the growing concern of wildfires, Eaton now offers the UltraSil Fire Protection Arrestor System for all common overhead and riser pole applications up to 27 kV. By controlling the energy release during an end-of-life event, the system helps mitigate the risk of fire in dry and drought-stricken areas. Utilizing proven evolution arrestor technology, the UFP arrestor system offers superior surge protection by providing low maximum discharge voltages. And its internally gapped design enables it to withstand voltages up to 1.78 times the MCOV indefinitely, avoiding temporary overvoltage failures that may overwhelm standard arrestors. The UFP arrestor system increases the time that the surge energy is diverted away from the high-value equipment prior to initiating the end-of-life protection action. This also avoids a preemptive isolation action, allowing the UFP arrestor system to remain operational longer. If an end-of-life event occurs, the blue indicator cap is propelled off to reveal a highly reflective orange tape to clearly signal that the arrestor system needs to be replaced. The worst-case failure mode for a standard arrestor is a lightning strike because it generates a rapid rise in current across the system that can cause an arrestor to quickly break down, expelling hot gas and debris that can fall to the ground. The short circuit test mimics the worst-case failure mode by fully shorting the arrestor prior to applying the end-of-life fault current. Therefore, any arrestor system designed to reduce the risk of wildfires should have the ability to properly control a high-energy end-of-life event without igniting any portion of a fuel bed below. These visible and thermal imaging videos show how the UFP arrestor system quickly controls the short-circuit test conditions, making it an ideal solution for reducing risk. The UFP arrestor system successfully controls the end-of-life event without igniting any portion of the dry fuel bed and has been granted temporary exemption to minimum clearance provisions of California Public Resources Code Section 4292. With the UFP arrestor system, you can provide superior surge protection and mitigate the risk of wildfires. To learn more about the benefits of the UFP arrestor system, visit Eaton.com.